Morning, guys. Good morning. It's Friday. Yes, I'm drinking my coffee again. Got me a good cup of coffee. I had a cinnamon roll with this, and it was delicious. But anyway, let's talk about Mullen. What's going to happen with Mullen today? So Mullen, this is what I've noticed. It's stuck. Mullen is stuck in this sideways barcoding sideways pattern. Okay. It's been there pretty much all week. It's really stagnant. Nothing's going on. And I'm wondering why, probably a lot of people wonder, why isn't Mullen moving out of this same price bracket? Like, look at this. This is where we fell off right here. Okay. This just fell off the cliff. This 157, we fell off and came down here this 144. So ever since this bracket that we're staying in is between this 145 and 138, which I think 38 is probably down here. Well, let's look over here. Yeah, 138. So it's stuck. It's just stuck in this pattern, and sooner or later it's going to break out of this pattern. I don't know which way it's going to break. I'm thinking since today, Friday, if it breaks out that pattern, it's going to break to the downside, possibly to that's 138, where it's going to get tested. And if it doesn't hold up, then it's going to pull back down. Okay. So with Mullen, I think it's still going to kind of stay in this pattern, but most likely, since a lot of people like to take money out the market on a Friday, it may pull down a little bit. We may see it try to run up, because it's just touching the close. It already touched the closing price once or twice this morning, the closing price from yesterday, and it's just still there. It's just still hanging there. No matter how much the volume comes in on this thing, it's like, why isn't it moving? This is something I can't understand. When I see stocks, there's some stocks that will make giant moves when the volume is like so little, like something like this. It makes giant moves. But then once all the volumes start coming in, there's some stocks like it could have 100,000, like a million, over. It can be 50 million, 60 million, 100 million. Like it can have all this volume, and then it just lay flat. Like it doesn't move. It go up and down, just very small movement. And you would think that since more volume would equals more buying and selling would equal the stock to make giant moves, but it doesn't. It's like the opposite. Like low volume sometimes makes the biggest moves until the volume start coming in, slowly coming in, and it keep going, and then it kind of pretty much shut down. So I don't know. Mullen just on the sideways pattern. I guess he's just waiting for something. I think it's going to pull back a little bit more. Honestly, I think it's going to pull back down under the $1.40, probably back down to that 138, somewhere around there. These are just my thought. Okay. Do I have any Mullen stock? I sold it all. Okay, because I sold, then I bought back in, and then I sold again, because it was earlier in the week. I felt like it was going to go down below the 140, and it did. It went down to like 138, but I missed that buyback in opportunity because I was doing something. I wasn't watching the market. So I'm still out of Mullen, but I'm technically I'm sorted in because I just need to buy back in. I'm waiting on my buyback in price. That's what I'm waiting on. And it's definitely below 140, and I can kind of feel like we're going to go that direction. Okay. I don't know how many more days they have to stay above $1. If anyone knows, leave a comment. Like, what day is their last day of their 10th day that they have to stay above the dollar? Because I don't know what day it is. I'm trying to keep track of that, but I haven't really researched it. But that's it on Mullen. I'm going to do the next my AMC video here next, so stay tuned. And I'm going to do my price prediction for that. But yeah, that's it, guys. I'll see you in the next one. I'm a little tired again. And yeah, I'll just see you in the next video. All right, guys, take care. Peace.